In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable HTTPS on Blogger with a custom domain. Setting up HTTPS is crucial for ensuring secure connections for your blog visitors. It not only boosts your site's security, but also helps improve SEO rankings as search engines prioritize secure sites. So let's get started on making your blog more secure. First, you'll want to sign into your Blogger account. Make sure you're using the account associated with the blog you want to secure. Once you've logged in, select your blog from the list of blogs you've created or manage. You'll find this option either on your dashboard or in the drop-down menu if you have multiple blogs. After selecting your blog, navigate to the Settings section. This area is the command center for your blog's functionalities, so familiarize yourself with its layout if you haven't already. Next, let's move on to verify your custom domain. Under the Publishing section, you should see details about your custom domain, like www.example.com. Ensure that this domain is connected and fully functional. This establishes the groundwork for enabling HTTPS. If your domain isn't connected yet, pause here and complete the custom domain setup. Proper setup is key, so take your time to get it right. Moving on, it's time to enable HTTPS availability. Still in the Settings menu, scroll down to find the HTTPS section. Here you'll see an option to enable HTTPS availability. Go ahead and switch this on. When you do this, Blogger begins provisioning an SSL certificate for your domain. It's a vital step because this certificate encrypts the data transmitted between your visitors and your website. A quick heads up, don't be alarmed if the status remains unavailable momentarily. It may take a few minutes, or in some cases even a few hours, for the certificate to be fully issued. Patience is key here. Once you've successfully activated HTTPS availability, the next step is to enable HTTPS redirect. This ensures that all traffic is automatically redirected from the non-secure HTTP version of your site to the secure HTTPS version. Simply switch on the HTTPS redirect option. This setting is crucial because it directs all visitors trying to access HTTP/yourdomain.com straight to HTTP/yourdomain.com, ensuring they always connect via a secure connection. Remember to save your changes after enabling the redirect. Congratulations, you've now successfully enabled HTTPS on your Blogger site with a custom domain. Not only does this enhance security by providing a safer browsing experience for your visitors, but it also showcases your commitment to privacy protection and potentially boosts your site's search engine performance. Regularly check your HTTPS settings to ensure everything remains in working order. Thanks for joining me today, and happy blogging!